Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to another video on my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. So past couple of weeks I've been seeing that there's a trend which is really been going on in Instagram and on YouTube, which is known as best Amazon findings. So I decided to take up the challenge as well. First of all, this video is not an Amazon haul video. This is a general video where I'm sharing my monthly favorites, which are from Amazon, and they are like a great deal. So once I decided that I'll make a video on this, so I went to Amazon, I scrolled through it, this and that, and then finally I bought quite a few products. Like, I ended up buying a lot of stuff. I tried all of them and I loved them because they are not something very usual. They are something, I won't say even very unusual, but at least I've tried some of the products from other brands and I didn't like it, but this particular product from this particular brand is really nice. The number one thing which I really liked and appreciated is that they are very cost effective, which I absolutely adore when I'm buying something. I selected 3 or 4 products which I'll be featuring in this video. I won't be featuring all of them because that will be a very lengthy video, and I don't think it's very necessary at this point. So this video is also all about my amazing findings in the month of April 2022, and let it be like that. And I think that these 3 or 4 products are really nice. I actually haven't decided whether I want to feature 3 or 4 products. It's still very undecided. While filming this video only, I'll figure out how many products and what are products I really want to feature. There are some which are so good that I know I want to feature them. So without much delay and much wasting of your time, let's just move straight to the video. So let's talk about the first one. The first product is this one. This is the facial brush from Miniso, and it costs around 260 bucks. So this is a facial cleansing brush, and I have heard of these cleansing brushes before, but personally I haven't tried because I'm very scared of using something so abrasive kind of a thing on my skin, because it might damage your skin. You might get breakouts because I have a combination sensitive kind of a skin, and I keep on repeating this in my videos. Not all products are out there to suit you. So I got my hands on this and I decided to try it. So this product works really well for the double cleansing method. If you're not really aware of what double cleansing or two-step method cleansing is, or what is oil cleansing, that's absolutely fine. I'll just give you a glimpse of how you can use this brush to clean your face effectively, and that is good to go for a beginner. For a beginner who doesn't know anything and who really wants to clean your face at home effectively, you can go ahead with this method. If you are someone who have oily skin and who doesn't really prefer applying oil, then also there's a solution for you people. You can use different kinds of oil, so let's not go into that details. Just for starters, I'll give you a brief demo of how to use this brush, and I guess that will be self-explanatory. This is exactly how the brush looks like, and one side has silicone bristles, the other side has brush bristles, and both are really soft. So first, let me tie all my hair up really tight in a ponytail. Next, take any cleansing wipes to wipe off your face really well, because there might be any traces of makeup or dirt or whatever it is. Take any wipe of your choice, and I got this from Amazon as well. Take any essential oil of your choice. I'm using coconut oil at this point because I ran out of essential oils. So just to show you guys, I'm using coconut oil. Take 2 to 3 drops on your palm and just apply it very well on the areas which are prone to blackheads and whiteheads, like your T-zone, on your cheeks, your forehead, your chin. So just massage well or very gently on those areas. The next step is to take the brush and use the silicone bristle side to massage it very gently, very carefully rather, because you really don't want to massage it so hard that you get abrasion on your skin. That's something you really want to avoid. So be very gentle with this step, I mean during this step. Massage it on your nose, your chin, your forehead. These are the areas which are really prone in developing blackheads and whiteheads in due course of time if you don't do cleansing really well. So just be very careful with these areas. You can use any face wash of your choice. I am using Dermadew, which was recommended by my dermat, and this is a sulfate-free face wash, and it goes really well for those people who have sensitive combination and acne-prone skin. Take few drops of water in your palm with this face wash and massage it gently until it forms a lather. And this face wash doesn't really tend to form that much foam, so you just have to keep on reapplying water when you are using the brush on your face. The next step would be to take the brush and massage it gently in circular motion with the synthetic bristles, not the silicone ones this time. Massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and keep on reapplying water on your face and make sure that your face and your skin doesn't feel dry. So just keep on reapplying water, and if you're using some face wash which forms foam really well, then I don't think you really need to apply any water or that of any sort. Moving on, the next product is something which I was not really aware of until very recently. I came to know about this product very recently on Instagram. There was a creator who made a video regarding this particular product only. Because I was in awe of myself, like how can I not know of this product and I haven't tried it, because I am someone who likes to experiment a lot with products, and since I am into the content creation thing, I have to. And this is the hair scalp massager shampoo brush, and I have heard of brushes where which you use after you have applied oil on your hair. A lot of brushes, electric brushes are there which you use on your head, on your scalp, to massage it gently so that your scalp gets all the circulation it needs, your hair is all healthy and all set. But I don't know why I haven't heard of this scalp massager before, shampoo massager especially. So this claims that this massager has really soft silicone bristles, and I have tried this. It's just that I have put the entire thing in this box for filming this video. I've tried this. What I really loved about this product is that it's very soft on the scalp. This comes in several colors, and these bristles are made of silicones, and it's very soft and gentle to touch. So what you need to do is apply shampoo on your hair, and at this point I'm assuming that you know that 3 to 1 rule while applying shampoo on your hair. If you are not aware of it, then you can watch any of my hair care videos. I always mention it in my videos. So just apply shampoo, make a lather on your scalp, and then you can hold the bristles, the brush like this or whatever, makes you comfortable. I usually prefer holding it like this. After you have applied shampoo on your hair and it formed a lather, so just use this brush and massage your scalp in circular motion. So just repeat your circular motion thing on your entire scalp, and each section should be massaged for not more than 10 seconds, because your hair is wet and it has shampoo, so it has high chances of breaking off when your hair is wet. So just don't stress it too much. Just massage it gently in such a way so that all your dirt which your scalp has, that's gone, and your hair, the root of your hair is still there and it's not damaged, because you don't really want to damage that. So this was a really great finding and a purchase, and I absolutely love it, because scalp cleansing is something which I'm obsessed of, and this one is my really favorite. I actually bumped onto this product. I was looking for something else, and then I got saw this product, and I was really curious. A 3D massager I have never ever tried, and I was very curious because there are a lot of things which were written, and then I did some researches on the internet to see how a 3D massager works, what is a 3D massager, and why do we at all need it, and what is the purpose of using a massager. I usually use a jade roller on my face, but I really never tried any 3D massager for my body, and I really wanted to try that, because a 3D massager really helps to promote blood circulation, it tightens your skin, and there are a lot of benefits. So if you are someone who plays sports regularly, or if you're someone who anybody who is engaged in some form of a physical activity, this is a great investment. It's not really expensive, it comes really handy. You can I am in love with this product because it's user friendly, travel friendly. So every alternate day when I'm not using the jade roller, I reuse this 3D massager, and the night before I prefer keeping it in the refrigerator. So the next morning when I'm using this beauty tool, it's really chilled, and the purpose of using any cold thing on my face very early in the morning, it's because I have a puffy face. So even if I'm using a jade roller or this beauty tool or any other tool for that matter, it has to be really chilled cold, or I apply ice as well on my face. So whatever it is, the first thing that should be up on my face is a chill beauty tool. It helps to deal with my puffed face, puffy eyes. This 3D massager is also good for those who have a double chin and whose jaw line is undefined. So you can use it every morning if you want a really sculpted face. This works really well. You can also use this 3D massager to massage your collarbones to make it more defined. Use this 3D massager for your sore cuff muscles after a really hard workout day, leg day, or any other sports activity. You can also use this for your neck, for your shoulders, for your arms, for your entire hand as well. So this was it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you guys found this video a bit informative. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.